Everybody, it's your girl Cece. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is actually going to be another Influenster unboxing. They did send me another box of stuff to review. So let's just go ahead and get into the box. So if you're not familiar with Influenster, it is a free service that you can sign up for. And basically they send you boxes of stuff to review for free. So let's go ahead and see what they sent me this month. So this is what the box looks like. And this is the inside of the box. So this is the Dazzle Voxbox by Influenster. So the first thing I see, I'm so super excited about because it is a coupon, and you guys know how I feel about coupons. So this is a coupon. Ooh, free. I like free. So this is for a free I Thrive Keratin Rescue, or you can get a free Beautiful Collection Moisturizing Color or Advanced Gray Solution or Jazzing Hair Color. And you can use this at Sally Beauty. So yes, I definitely plan to get this because, girl, my hair right now is looking kind of crazy. Like, I have color that has grown out to my ponytail, but like my roots are dark. So I definitely need to put some color in my hair. So yes, girl, we'll definitely be using that. And speaking of hair color, that's what they actually sent me. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So this is the Clairol Professional Jazzing Hair Color, and this is in the shade Cherry Cola. And like, girl, let me just open this so you can really see what this looks like, because me and my stylist may have to have a conversation, like, for real. Like, can you make this work on top of the hair color that I already have in? Because, girl. Okay, so this is what the hair color looks like. So it is just this beautiful red, like burgundy kind of shade, which I'm like, yes, that is so up my alley. So that on top of this rose gold I have is just gonna be dope. So I'm definitely going to use my coupon and get 2 bottles, so that way I don't have to worry about her running out or anything like that. And when I get my hair done this weekend, yes girl, yes. So I'm definitely excited about that. And oh, this isn't even expensive. It says that this retails for just $6.49, which is very, very affordable. And it says that it says jazzing shiny sheer shades spice up natural color, perm, or relaxed hair with temporary or semi-permanent results. So it is temporary or semi-permanent color, which I like because I like to experiment with colors without having to commit to anything. So definitely looking forward to using that. The next thing that came in here is a lotion, which I'm like, oh, thank you, Jesus, because I go through lotion like nobody's business. And this is the Gold Bond Ultimate Radiance Renewal. I'm going to take this out the packaging so you guys can see that. This is what it looks like out of the packaging. And this is infused with coconut oil, cocoa butter, and African butter shea. And it's supposed to exfoliate and nourish visibly dry skin, which my body skin, as you guys know, is very, very dry. My face is oily. So definitely looking forward to using this. So let's bust this out and see what it's all about. So that's what it looks like. It's really thick. It definitely looks like a thick, like a body cream or body butter. It feels, ooh, it feels really, really good on the hands. It definitely feels like a body butter, but it's not hard to apply. And you can definitely smell the cocoa butter and the shea for sure. And it feels really, really good on my hands. So yes, I'm definitely looking forward to using this. And this retails for if you get the 5.5 ounce, which is what they sent me, the smaller size is $5.99, and then the 14 ounce bottle is only $7.99. So another really affordable product there, you guys, to go out and purchase if you are interested. And the last thing that I have is this Clairol Professional I Thrive Keratin Rescue Split End Repair. That is what that looks like right there. So it says that this is a lightweight finishing cream and it leaves dry damaged hair smooth and frizz free all the way to the end. So basically you take 1 to 2 pumps into your palm, rub your hands together and apply it to damp hair beginning at the ends, working up to the mid shaft but avoiding the roots. Twist hair strands for more defined curls. Do not rinse. Oh, okay, so it's like a leave-in kind of thing. And it can be used to refresh or moisturize the ends as needed. So yes, definitely looking forward to using that. I did put keratin in my hair a long time ago, like maybe a year or so ago when I first started really like, no, it was maybe like 2 years ago when I was going natural, but I wasn't. I was doing the blowouts, but I actually did get the keratin and I loved, oh my gosh, my hair stayed straight for like probably 4 months and I loved the keratin. So any products that have like keratin in it, I'm like, yes, give me, give me, give me. So I'm excited about that. So let's see what this smells like. It just smells really like fresh and florally. So yes, I think I'm most definitely going to enjoy using that. So that is everything that Influenster sent me to review. First impressions, I think I'm going to love all of the products that they sent me. If you guys want a dedicated review on any of the products, definitely let me know. I know for sure I will be coming back and talking about this hair color because like I said, when I get my hair done this weekend, I definitely plan to put this in my hair, get my stylist to put this in my hair. So I definitely plan to get back on here and update you guys on this. But if you want reviews on the other hair product they sent me or the lotion, definitely just let me know and I would be more than happy to put that up for you guys. So yeah, you guys, that is everything that Influenster sent me. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, definitely give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys next time in my next video. Bye.